Namaskar, good morning dear students. Today's date is 7th August 2020, day Friday. Today we are going to revise last chapter of our term 1 exam, chapter number 20, conjunctions. As you know, while speaking, sometimes it happens that we forget to add something, okay, and we want to merge our thoughts. We want to share one and more than one ideas together in a sentence. While we are trying to arrange that kind of structure, we need conjunctions to make our sentences more effective and meaningful. So conjunctions are the words that join words, phrases or sentences together. One more time. Conjunctions are words that join words, phrases or sentences together. What are the conjunctions? There are a lot of conjunctions. In 6th standard you will learn about the subordinating and coordinating conjunctions, right? This time we are having only these two groups of conjunctions. Let's discuss with this group first. And, but, because, and, for, or, so, a. Then after that, when, until, although and so that. Let's see from and. We use and to join two ideas. Example, the dog has long ears and a short tail. Here we use and to join two ideas. Okay, my uncle has a red car and a bike. Okay, so what I did, I joined two different things, means two ideas by using and. Second, but. We use but to show contrast. Example, Lily is honest but she is not a smart girl. Here but is used to explain the quality of same girl but different, contrast. There is contrast, opposite qualities are there. Lily is honest but not smart, right? So Lily is honest but not a smart girl. Here but is used to show contrast. Second, because or for. We use because or for to talk about reasons. To talk about reasons. Example, she has called me because she wants my advice. Because is used to explain the reason of calling. Then second one, for. The children went inside for it started to rain. Why did the children go inside? The children went inside for it started to rain. Means we use because and for to talk about reasons. Then or is used to talk about the choices. Example, I have never met my uncle or my aunt. Or is used to explain or to talk about choices. You can select purple or green, whatever you like, right? So or is used to express the choice, means you are offering choices to the person. Then so is used to talk about results, right? Example, I have been studying hard, so I think I will pass. Result. 8. Now let's discuss these 5 that we use that to add more information. Okay, example, we are hoping that we will reach on time. Then, when, to talk about time when something happens. We use where to talk about the time when something happens. Example, I will call you when I reach. Then until, we use until to talk about particular time. Example, we cannot leave until the driver is here. Until is used to speak about a particular time. Although, to express a contrast. Example, I can't leave early although I want to. Done. Then so that, to talk about a purpose. We use so that to talk about a purpose. Example, we left early so that we wouldn't be late. Now, I think this information will help you to be more clear about these conjunctions. One more time, we will just read it and then we are going to see our textbook exercises. Let's see. And is used to join two ideas, but is used to show contrast. Because is used because and for, both are used to talk about reasons or to talk about choices. So, to talk about reasons. 8, to talk about something unexpected. We often use comma before, so, for and 8. Then we learn about that. We use that to add more information. When, to talk about time when something happens. Until, to talk about particular time. Although, to express a contrast. So that, to talk about the purpose. Now, we are going to see our textbook exercises. I hope you all are ready with your textbook. Open page number 112, 112 of your textbook and be ready with your textbook. I will be back soon. Wait for a while. Let's see exercise number 1. Underline the correct conjunctions. It was raining, so the game was cancelled. We must work hard or you will fail. Lily visited the dentist for she had toothache. The two brothers were intelligent but lazy people. E. We missed the beginning of the play because we arrived late. F. Grandma is old, yet she is very fit. G. Dad washed his car and polished it too. H. Which is quicker, the train or the bus? Now, exercise 2. The first halves of some sentences are given. Choose the second halves from the options given below and complete the sentences. One has been done for you. Or stay in the bed longer, for he was driving too fast, but younger than Sam, because she is always so kind, and unlocked the door. 8 I have 2 of them, 8 rather cold, so I will help you make dinner. Now we have to arrange the words. I will read directly answers. It will help you to be more clear. I am allergic to cats, yet I have 2 of them. So, should I get up or stay in the bed longer? I am older than Tom, but younger than Sam. It was sunny outside, yet rather cold. I have finished my work, so I will help you make dinner. Anna took out the keys and unlocked the door. G. We missed the turn for he was driving too fast. Students like Miss Lin because she is always so kind. Now I explained this chart table to you, right? That, when, until, although, and so that. Now let's see unless and if. The words unless and if are also conjunctions. We use unless to talk about only condition because of which something will not happen. Example, you will be late unless you leave early. We use if to talk about the condition of which something will happen. Example, you will reach on time if you leave early. Unless and if are similar in a way that they both are conditions for something to happen. However, unless is a negative condition. It says what will happen if the condition is not met. And if says what will happen if the condition is met. Right. Now question 3. Fill in the blanks with unless, if or when. Okay. Let's see. I like to have a snack when I get home from school. B. Mom will not switch on the TV until I finish my homework. C. We won't get tickets to the concert unless we book them today. D. We cannot eat dinner until the rice is cooked. E. Dad does not listen to music when he arrives. 4. Fill in the blanks with although, so that, or that. I carried a map so that I wouldn't get lost. B. I love chocolate although I know it is not good for me. C. They are hoping that their missing dog will come home. D. We painted the walls white so that the room looks brighter. E. Kathy had opened her umbrella although it wasn't raining. Fifth one, look at the picture and write sentences using and, but, so, and because. One has been done for you. She baked a cake and decorated it too. She baked the cake, but it did not taste good. It was her birthday, so she baked a cake. She baked a cake because it was her mother's birthday. Look at the picture and write sentences using although, unless, and so that. She wanted to finish the book although she was sleepy. She does not finish a book unless it's interesting. She is reading the book so that she does well in her test. Now, we have completed all the exercises of chapter number 20. Let's have a look of notes in short. We learned that conjunctions are words that join words, phrases or sentences together and is used to join two ideas but help us to show contrast. Because and for are used to talk about reasons, or is used to talk about choices. So is used to talk about results. It is used to talk about something unexpected. That is used to add more information. When is used to talk about time when something happens. Until is used to talk about particular time. Although is used to express a contrast. So that is used to talk about a purpose. And we often put comma before so, for and it. We revised all the important topics of this chapter. What is your today's homework? Today you have to practice grammar, means conjunctions, at home in extra notebook. Thank you.